Hey, good afternoon, everyone. Joe JLF Ranches and Outdoors. Anyways, so we're going to continue on with this 2013 Tacoma 2.7 liter engine pool. As you can see, radiator, racing, hands out, all that, on the way. If you missed that, previous video shows how to go down that and whatnot. But we're going to start with taking air filter, all that stuff out, when you get everything out. Listen to power steering lines, rest of the AC lines, off of the compressor, and everything is so out of the way, brackets for it, and whatnot. Then it goes from there. Then the mirror comes in, see what I need to transfer over again.
show you on said engine going in this Toyota. Keep in mind, there's 2 wires back here on the back of the head. There is also a sensor here, and a sensor right there. Now this one you can get out without the engine out pretty easy. This one, I found that it's going to be easier to remove it once you slide the engine away from the firewall a little bit. Same with these 2 wires right here. If you don't remove those before you get the engine all the way out, you're going to end up ripping them and jack up a harness. As you can see, my dilemma. She don't go high enough. I've got the truck up on those monster ramp deals, just so I could have a little more clearance getting under it. But courtesy of those, lift doesn't go high enough, so now we gotta do some redneck engineering and turn my service truck around to where the crane's on this side. And then I'll stick my crane over here with a strap and take the weight off this and finish pulling it with my crane off my service truck. So, get started on that.